It's an exciting day today, guys. I think today is the day that the Supra is finally gonna start back up. We rolled it outside. We are on the home stretch to just firing this car up. Tony's throwing some coolant in the car right now, wiring up a few more things, some few loose ends, putting on a wideband, and this car is gonna turn over today. I can feel it. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you wanna see more content. Today is the day though, today is the day. So let's get this car fired up. Concentration, do you see his face? What's happening? I got 3 of those. Toyota coolant, only the best.
Look at the weight.
Guys, spread it first. Alright guys, we're putting the spark plugs in now. Waiting on some NGK spark plugs to get here. Installing a new Drue Boost solenoid. Vacuum lines are in. Just gotta plug these 2 wires in. The house. Let me know what you think. First start. How's it sound, guys? Alright guys, she's alive. Starting to hear the rumble of the cabs. Tony got the laptop right there. He's doing some remote tuning right now, just so we can get the car idle, because we got an appointment this week. Get this car on the dyno and make some numbers, see how fast this car goes. Got my big brother, Sean, in the house. Sean.
What's up? Happy to hear the car running, man. It sounds great.
What do you think it's gonna run?
It's gonna make some power.
How much power?
550, 580, 600.
6
All right.
6 plus.
There
6
we go.
plus. This is
Pump
what we're
gas
going
tune
for.
would be perfect.
Pump gas tune.
All right.
All right, but you guys heard it first. You hear the car rumbling right now. That's the 272 cabs in there. I'm happy just to hear this car started. So we're coming along. It's been a long road to get here. That's the first time this car started since April, guys. Since April. So today was the day, and we're gonna keep going. Last week we put the new brakes on, so I finally getting to see it outside. Looks really, really good, guys. It was a good day today, guys. Got the Supra finally started up after so long. Single turbo kit is now on the car. We're just working out the last little kinks, but the car's gonna get tuned this week. We're heading to the dyno. We're gonna see what kind of power it makes. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Drue Hill and tune in, because next time we're gonna be on the dyno. So let's see what numbers we make. All right, guys, till the next time, peace.